Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the It's Potato channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a clicker game. Now, a clicker game is actually quite easy to make. So first we need something to click, which I'm going to use the default sprite, the Scratch Cat. So events, one green flag clicked, go to 0, 0 just in case, and looks show. Okay, now we're going to go back to events and get a when this sprite clicked. Let's just change size by 10 and then go to control and then wait 0.5 seconds and then duplicate this and put it there and then change it to -10. Now, let's go to variables and we're going to make our like money currency kind of thing, coins perhaps. Now we're going to set coins to 0 when green flag clicked and change change coins by 1 here. Now let's try it. Maybe we should make this wait time a little shorter. How about 0.2? Yeah. So let's actually set, instead of that, let's set back to, let's, instead of the change size by -10, let's set size to 100%, and let's do negative 25% instead. Now, there you go. So now it always sets to 100% and it doesn't go crazy. So now we're gonna add a shop, which shouldn't be too hard. Let's go to paint, make a shop button. I can't type. Okay, now let's put this in here and change it to color white and put it in the middle. Now let's just put it over here in the corner, and when green flag clicked, show and go to motion and get a go to X place. Now this works still. Okay, so now we're gonna go to shop, and when this sprite clicks, broadcast shop. Not ship. And so now we're going to make another sprite, and okay, and set it to 0, 0, like make a white rectangle, or gray if you want, but yeah, gray's better. Okay, so let's make it slightly smaller. Okay, and now let's write white in shop. There you go. I think that's good enough. Yep, that's good enough. Now we're gonna add the stuff for shop. Let's make a rectangle and cast and write one cat per second, and then change that to black. Put that in the middle and put it to the top. And one more, which is cost 50, and let's put that in the middle. Okay. So now this is basically the basics of a clicker game. I will be here in the next video. Have an amazing day, everybody.